Welcome back, everybody, to our isoweld 3000 informational series. Now that we have set up our tool and calibrated it appropriately, we will show you how to operate the tool in the field. Now that our tool has been calibrated to this field, we're ready to weld. The process of doing a weld is very simple. All we're going to do is press this start button and the tool will begin searching for the plate, sort of like a metal detector. And once it's found the plate and you're perfectly over the top of it, it'll give you a signal to show that you've started welding, and then it'll notify you that the weld is complete, in which you will then place a magnet on for 45 seconds to allow appropriate cooling of the membrane to the plate. Always light the magnet. Now your weld is complete.